Welcome back, guys. So in this tutorial I'm going to be making the eyes, and but first let's just make some corrections to this watch. You can see I need to kind of push this down instead. Select this with the move tool and push this down a bit more, like so. Go back and select this. Probably raise this up a bit higher. Probably let me push it back down. Okay. Now that's fine. I think I'm going to merge all of this down. I don't need this anymore. Let me just push this up. Now merge this down. Merge down. Merge down. This entire wristwatch now should just be one entire mesh itself. Let me just do a quick save for this. Okay, that's fine. So now for the eyes, I think I will need to, maybe not completely. So this one comes with eyes. Yes. Let's check this mesh for the eyes. Let's see if the geometry is good. Geometry is not too bad. Okay. I'll probably be sticking with. Let me first copy this and bring this on here. Go out of isolate and paste this in here. Oh. Now I don't think we'll be needing that eyes. So paste. I'll just delete this. I don't need this. Okay. So now I'll need a polysphere. Let me turn this off for now. I'll need a polysphere for this. I can easily just create a new one with the IMM brush. So BI should be polysphere in here. This is it. So I'm going to draw this in the center of our mesh. Something like so. Now just hit this to kind of center it. Oh, I need to do a split on max points. Then now select this sphere in here. First, now kind of this to kind of make sure. Wait. Ah man, I think I drew. This is not accurate enough. Just delete it. Draw a new one. Okay. Turn on symmetry. Let's see if this is perfectly symmetrical. It is not completely symmetrical. Shouldn't even be that much of a problem though. Okay. Let's do split on max points. Still not perfectly symmetrical, but that's fine. Let's just use local symmetry instead. It's still not in the center. Still not in the center. Local symmetry ought to fix this. I don't know why it's not fixing this properly. It's not completely symmetrical. Need to get this perfectly symmetrical. Turn on the floor. Why is this not symmetrical enough? Turn off local symmetry. Strange. Let's use the thread move topology. Yeah, much better now. Okay. So we have this symmetrical now. That is fine. That's precisely what we want. Turn off the floor. Turn off symmetry temporarily. Let's see. Let me push this in. Just trying to get the right scale for this. Maybe not the best or most accurate scale, but at least something good enough. So I'll subdivide this. So, oh, so subdivide this a few times. So I have this as 6 million now. I would use this perfect circle. Just trying to figure out the scale size of the eyes. Somewhere around here. Maybe slowing down a bit. Trying to figure out what the size of the eyes would be. What size of the iris would be, so I can use that for the eye we're trying to recreate. Okay. So I just kind of get like a rough idea in there. So this size is just way too big. Maybe something like so should be fine. So I'll select this model now. Something like this. Okay. Just drop this on here. Let's see if it's supposed to like just to add like a layer here, just to hold this. Let me drop a layer in here. Okay. So that side should be fine. Then I can isolate this now. Turn on symmetry for this. Let's make sure we are not touching the same thing at the back. So let's move everything that will show at the back. Just move that completely. Center this and go back in here. This is our reference. Okay, so I would rather I need to I'm just gonna push this back in. So let's invert the selection. Then for the transform, let's use radar. Let's just set this up correctly. Guess I'm missing. Let's see which ASICs this should be. Orientation is obviously wrong. Okay, so I'll make sure I turn on local symmetry. The transform, make sure is on Z. So everything should be working properly now as it should. So I need to kind of make an indentation first. So I'll just I need to blow out the edge first. Let's blow out the edge. Probably let's go to the lower subdivision level first. And blow out. Okay, now do that. Go one subdivision level higher. Let me just make sure I'm showing you guys this, so you guys know the subdivision level I'm on. Not completely in the center. Not completely in the center yet. It's not in the center. Let's go to the highest subdivision level, up subdivision level first. Let's zoom this closer. You can clearly see that this is not in the center. You just need a reference point to know where the circle should be. So somewhere around here should be fine. So I'll remove this. Let me make sure. Need to use the Max pen. So let me undo this first. Definitely need a reference point for this. So because I don't kind of lose what I already have in here. The size of the shape I already have in here. Okay, let's just think I can need a reference point for this. Okay. Let's see what we have. So I'm not going to I'm not going to kind of do not this. But this is very important. I want to kind of make sure the size of the iris is accurate enough before I start doing details on there. Very important. Okay. I believe this size should work. So I'm going to go back in here, increase this even more. Do something a bit more accurate, something like so should be fine. I think this size should be fine. If it's not affecting the back, it's not. Nope, mistake. We invert that selection. Stop jumping out of view, man. Come on. Okay, things is the closest as you can get. Then in here, let's start by going down to the lower subdivision level first. Then with the standard, on the standard, I'll hold Alt and I'll just dig this. Oh, just hold Alt. I was holding the wrong thing. And just dig this in, like so. Gonna check out this is. This is fine. Take down the smooth size. Take down the intensity of the smooth. Do something like so. It should work just fine. Let's go to the higher subdivision level for this. Maybe fill up this part a bit more. Smooth. Okay. Great. Just keep jumping off view, which is rather annoying. That's way too much. Take down the intensity. Still too much. Undo that. Let's take a smaller brush size. Holding Alt. Okay. This should be fine. Now it feels like I might just need to divide this. If I divide this more, I don't know how crazy that would be. Okay, so I'm going to start by using the count for this. 10 even feels way too much. Maybe somewhere around 5. Then I'm going to use I think the Dem standard brush should do a better job now. It's like carve out. No, this won't work. Uh, Clay brush. Nah, I think I need to turn off this radial symmetry for now. To turn it off for now. Well, the brush size is just way too small. I think I might need to scale this up. No, a more general scale for this. Now let's see with our brush size. Let's see what we have. Okay, it should be fine. So I'm going to use the Max pen. Take this down to a brush size of 1. Just kind of making indents. So okay, probably zoom in to see if we can find a few more of this. There's something wrong. Okay. Okay, so I'll invert the selection for this. Let's draw a few more. Okay, then I would think I'll use the inflate brush now. I'll use the inflate brush, holding Alt, just kind of dig some of back, just kind of pushing this in. Okay, I invert the marks now. Probably blur this out a bit more. Then I'm going to go back and turn on the radial symmetry. Now increase the count for this. Not too sure how many counts I need though. The gradle, this is not okay. This is the standard brush. Go to the lowest, let's say size of 2, and let's draw something out. Now I think I'll need a bit more, so I'm going to increase this a bit more. Increase the intensity also. Shouldn't kind of climb all the way up though. Not really going for absolute perfection in here. Take down the brush size, increase this up a bit higher. No, think better still. Let me just reduce this now. Maybe something like a value of 20. And I'll do something like so. Do that, do it again. Then I'm going to use the damn standard brush now. Probably holding Alt. Oh no, this looks a bit weird now. Let's dig instead. Put Alt and bring out. Use the standard use standard brush again. Kind of do something a bit like so. I think this should be more or less fine for what we need it for. No. No. Use a smaller brush size instead. Okay. I think we can use this as our eye. This will work just fine for the eye. Okay. Can definitely use this as our eyepiece. So I need to increase this a bit more. Increase this a bit more. Then go over the top like so. Let me kind of think I'll need a bigger brush size for this. Now just smooth the edge down. Nah, I don't know if that's no. That doesn't feel right. Just see if you can go something lower. Let's try and carve out something in here again. Okay, that should be fine. I'll just do a quick save. This is going to be our eyepiece. So in the next lesson, we are going to discuss how to create some hairs for some placeholder hairs for this that we can use inside of Maya with XGen to kind of block out the hair structure for this. So I'll see you guys in the next lesson.